Did you guys hear? Oh man, Pro's gone, man. Pro's gone. Now, if you're like me, you know, Pro represented an interesting part of your life, because for a lot of us, for me specifically, Pro was that guy who made hip hop township. He didn't try to make the township hip hop. Like, he took that entire genre of hip hop that some South Africans had done with some success, but he made us a part of it. You know, he didn't have to be someone he was not to do hip hop. He reminds me a lot of like H2O. You guys remember H2O? You remember H2O? But with H2O, the track was done with Yizo Yizo, right? Like, those guys took the genre of hip hop and they brought it home. They made it us. They told our stories. I can't believe Pro is gone, man. This is my favorite Pro Kid track. Listen. She's my wife now, just a part of my life now. Got 2 beautiful kids, we're living right now. Biggest mansion, that's the size of a lighthouse. A man couldn't ask for more. On your face, we're gonna change someday. Yesterday will never be the same. I can assure you that life is great. Oh, I'm feeling so good today. Woo! You guys heard this track? Oh man, this was my favorite Pro Kid track, yo. It's good, cause I'm living the way I should. Celebrating the intention. Oh yeah. And I tell you why I love this track. Like, I'm an old soul, right? So I love when hip-hop artists take something like hip-hop and give it a bit of melody, you know? From a life of a sinner, as a beginner, I thought drugs would make me a winner. A lifetime investment is better than Luke Spinner. Now I'm a free man taking my kids out for dinner. Have fun. Oh man! Hey, let's start a Pro Kid challenge. Pro Kid challenge. Post yourself doing a video of your favorite Pro Kid track. Oh, believe me, enemies will squeeze when they need me. It's tricky. But at least I'm gonna be your granddaddy and hit 50. Oh man, love Pro, guys. It's the end of an era. It's the end of an era, you know.